Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be repairing this HP 24-D F1224, all in one computer. As you can see, the screen is cracked, so we're going to have to swap the screen out for a new one. So let's get into the video. We're going to start with using a pry tool to lift the plastic cover on the stand. Then, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two screws holding the stand in place. Remove the stand and lay the computer flat. Then, using a spudger, gently remove the speaker bezel from the computer, exposing the screws. Again, using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the 15 screws holding the screen's frame to the chassis. Using a pry tool, gently work your way lifting around the sides of the screen and releasing the retention clips. Be careful to slowly lift the screen towards you so you don't yank and potentially damage any of the cables. Now, we remove the flat LVDS image cable, the touch control cable, and the backlight cable running from the screen assembly to the motherboard. To avoid damaging cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. As you can see, we are careful to release the cable on both sides before we pull it away. Now we disconnect the cables from the broken screen to transfer to the new one. To avoid damaging the cables, it's very important to gently pry them out from the tabs at the edges and not to pull straight out, as that can break one of the small internal wires. You can see how we are always careful to release them on the sides first. You can leave the backlight cable in the frame since we're just going to transfer the whole thing anyways. Remove the 11 screws from around the edge of the frame. Now, we're going to transfer the frame to the new screen. Plug the 3 cables back into their ports on the screen. When plugging them back in, make sure to put pressure evenly from the sides of the cable head and not pushing with your finger straight down, as that can damage the cables. Make sure they are fully plugged in. If not all the pins are contacting properly, it will cause display issues. Replace all the screws we took out of the frame. Now, we replace the LVDS, touch, and backlight cables into their correct ports on the motherboard. Just like before, make sure they are fully plugged in to avoid any display issues. Lay the screen back into place and using the palm of your hand, very gently apply even pressure all around the edges to snap the retention clips back into place. Do not use your thumbs as this can crack the screen. Now we screw the LCD frame back into the chassis. Replace the speaker bezel. Then you slot the stand back into place. Tighten the 2 screws and close the plastic cover. This is how you repair a cracked screen on an HP 24-DF1224, all in one computer. If you need to source a replacement screen, there will be a link down below. If you don't want to do this repair yourself, you can reach out to us on our website over at lcdguarantee.com or our email at info@lcdguarantee.com, where we offer a mail-in repair service. Thanks for watching.